We've told you about one of the only successful therapies out there to help people with COVID-19, monoclonal antibody treatment.
Yeah, up until now, you had to go to a hospital to get an infusion. But THV11's Mercedes McKay introduces us to the pharmacy, becoming the only independent site in the state.
Westside Pharmacy in Benton opened up this infusion site on Monday and have already served 22 patients, and they're constantly getting calls for more.
Every day we just have more and more patients.
What once was an area where people got the shots that protect them from COVID has now turned into a site where people get treated for COVID.
We kind of came up with the idea last week, and we revamped this whole area.
After a local doctor reached out to Westside Pharmacy about the monoclonal antibody treatment, pharmacist Madison Schuler says they knew it was something they wanted to pursue.
We realized that there's a huge need in the community. The hospitals are just completely overwhelmed right now, and they have so many more COVID patients than they have infusion sites.
With help from local clinics, the Department of Health, and by local hospitals donating supplies, the pharmacy opened the infusion site in just 1 week, already taking 2 patients on day 1.
Realistically, we can have about 12 patients in here a day. The infusion takes about 20 to 25 minutes to complete, and then we have to observe the patients for an hour.
Physicians call the pharmacy when they have a COVID-positive patient who qualifies for the treatment. Schuler says those patients are seeing symptoms shortened by 4 days.
It's really best if patients can get in here like as soon as they start having symptoms and test positive. It can really prevent the virus from spreading.
Describing it as a win-win for all, Schuler says it's helping relieve crowded hospitals and sick patients.
We don't want our patients to go into the hospital. We don't want them to progress to having severe COVID. So our goal is to get people in here, get them treated early, and then help them stay healthy.
In Benton, Mercedes McKay, THV11 News.
If you've tested positive for COVID-19 and are at risk of progressing, Schuler says to see your physician. If they think you qualify, they'll write you a prescription to go to the Westside Pharmacy and receive this treatment.